Namaste and welcome to New and Noteworthy for the latest update from Karmayog Foundation. In a recent development, Karmayog Education Network has partnered with top-notch dealmaker Mr. N. Jaikumar to raise capital for their expanding business. Being in the capital market for so many years and an investment banker himself, Mr. Jaikumar was quick to realize the vast potential of Karmayog's unique offerings in the mass education field. Mr. Jaikumar, also known as Jakes, offered his unconditional support and promised to take the business of Kane to the next level. Let us see what Mr. Ram Badrinathan, one of the co-founders of Kane, has to say about this partnership. Hello Ram. Ram, well, what implication does this partnership has for Kane's ventures, Kane's organizational vision?
Really, we're very happy that N.J. Kumar, founder and CEO of Prime Securities, is become such a believer in what Karmayog Education Network. J. Kumar has been an ace dealmaker, an investment banker. Really being a part of the whole capital markets in India for about 30 years, and for him to believe in what we are doing is actually quite special. So very happy about that.
Thank you, Ram, for sharing this update with us. We have another interesting update for you, and that is the conversation between the two pillars of Kane, Chuck Schreiner and Saurav J. Sarkar. Watch them in a fascinating discussion called The Turban and the Tie, focusing on the mass education opportunities in India. Let us have a quick glance.
These three really, Pragya, which is knowledge or wisdom, Kaushal, which is techniques and getting things done, and Sadhana or dedication, which dissolves the doer. These three come together and create the platform for Karmayog.
You can watch all the videos at our YouTube channel, Karmayog for the 21st Century, under the playlist The Turban and the Tie. Hope you enjoy the viewing. Well, we have talked business till now, and it's time for Ashram Talk, where you'll get some insights into some chit chat over how we work here at the Karmayog Ashram. Over to Mohana, who will give us the Ashram Talk for today's update. Mohana, there you go.
Thanks, Varnav. We are standing right outside the Karmayog Ashram, where a Mela is about to kick off in another couple of minutes. As you can see, there are a lot of stalls and which kids really find very interesting. And this Mela is something they really look forward to every year. So we are expecting our kids to turn up in huge number just as the sun sets. So, working becomes a bit difficult amidst all this chaos and heat, but then nevertheless it's always nice to see so many happy faces around. With Shadab Ahmed on camera, I am Mohana Bhattacharya reporting from Mahesh Bathan ground.
Thank you, Mohana, for sharing this update with us. Well, that's the environment we work here, and it's really fun, really exciting to be a part of this foundation, and it's really a blend of the traditional and the modern. That's all for New and Noteworthy today. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on the Karmayog Foundation. Till then, have a nice time.